I have two daughters who are just getting into the tween stage of life. They are starting to grow and change, and their bodies are starting to produce more oil on their faces. And I've noticed that, and I was super thrilled when Wink sent this to me to try out. I am very particular about what I let my kids, especially like makeup and products. I'm very particular about what I let them put on and in their body, because parabens can cause issues with hormones, and hormones are something you really don't want to mess with. Now, me growing up, I honestly did not do anything skincare wise except Noxzema. Do you guys remember that? It just dried out your skin like awful. So I was so thrilled that this is a full on, easy to follow, step-by-step process. It's labeled what steps you do, and then you pull this out and it has instructions on the back. So it tells you the key ingredients, it tells you the benefits, and it tells you how to use it, which is so fantastic, because if you are starting off with skincare, honestly, you don't know a whole lot. And so this is fantastic that it will kind of teach you and guide you through the skincare process as a tween or teen. Now we do have a cleanser, and you do that first, lather it up. Then you have a rose petal toner, spray it on. Then you have a face fruit serum. And I love that these are just like very natural ingredients. Love that. As I said before, no parabens, no sulfates, no artificial smells, no artificial fragrances, which is fantastic. I really love that this was never adult skincare. They did not take an adult skincare line and make it work for teens. They just made a whole nother line. So this is like specifically for tweens and teens, specifically for them and their skin. Of course, the last step is moisturizer. Love that it has SPF. Huge bonus there. So with these four, you have a full routine, which is fantastic. You cleanse, you tone and treat and protect all in one. Super clean formula. I just love it. I'm very excited. I am thrilled that my girls can have something like this to use, because I will not be letting them use all the things with the parabens, sulfates, all the stuff. So this is a great fit for us and our family. So they have not tried it yet. Very excited. I'm going to try it alongside with them and see how it works. Make sure it doesn't dry out your face or anything, but I think it's going to work really well. So I'm very happy, very excited to try this. So far, I highly recommend it.